10 flowers with irresistible aromas. Lavender. Lavender has a sweet, floral aroma with calming, herbaceous undertones. Its scent is often described as fresh, clean, and slightly woody, evoking a sense of relaxation and tranquility. Night-blooming jasmine. Night-blooming jasmine has a rich, intoxicating fragrance with sweet, exotic floral notes. Its scent is heavy, warm, and mildly spicy, often described as both sensual and captivating, especially in the evening. Kampa, also known as plumeria. Kampa, also known as plumeria or frangipani, exudes a sweet, exotic, and floral aroma. Its fragrance is often creamy with hints of citrus and spice, evoking a tropical, sensual, and calming atmosphere. Widely used in perfumes, incense, and spiritual rituals, it symbolizes beauty and serenity. Sweet alyssum. Sweet alyssum has a delicate, honey-like aroma, light and sweet, with subtle earthy undertones. Its fragrance is gentle yet captivating, often associated with warmth and serenity, making it a favorite in gardens and floral arrangements. Daphne. Daphne flowers release a rich, heady aroma, combining sweet, citrusy, and slightly spicy notes. Their fragrance is intoxicating and elegant, often likened to a blend of jasmine and citrus, making them a prized addition to gardens. Jasmine. Jasmine's aroma is intensely sweet, floral, and exotic, with rich, sensual undertones. Its captivating fragrance is both soothing and romantic, often symbolizing purity and elegance in perfumes and rituals. Camellias. Camellias typically have a very light, delicate aroma, often subtle or even scentless in some varieties. When present, their fragrance is fresh and mildly sweet, evoking elegance and simplicity. Lilies. Lilies have a bold, sweet, and often intoxicating fragrance, with some varieties exuding spicy, floral, or fruity undertones. Their scent is both elegant and powerful, symbolizing purity and devotion. Gardenia. Gardenia exudes a rich, creamy, and sweet floral aroma with hints of citrus and green undertones. Its intoxicating fragrance is lush and romantic, evoking elegance and tropical charm. Hibiscus. Hibiscus flowers are typically mild and subtle in aroma, often with a faint, slightly sweet, and fresh floral scent, though some varieties are nearly scentless. Their understated fragrance complements their vibrant beauty.